With Manipur Fire Service taking the lead role, the restoration and cleaning work in and around the premise of Jnims, Parampad is almost complete now, after the institution was hit by recent flood. Notably, the hospital affairs, including routine operations, has been compelled to put under suspension since the last couple of days after the hospital complex had been flooded with the runoff water from overflowing Imphal River at multiple points in Imphal East District. Manipur Fire Service, along with hospital authorities, took up the initiative of cleaning and restoration works since the last 2 days as the water level receded significantly. Even today, they cleaned up several sections of the medical institute, including medical superintendent block, X-ray, art office, main corridor, male surgery ward, orthopedic ward, gynae ward, postnatal ward, antenatal ward, and PPT ward using water browser, portable pump, electric water pump, generator, and LED lighting system.